Well, plasma gel is pretty easy. Basically, you start by pushing back your cuticles and making sure those get clean. I like to clean underneath my nails as well. You never know what's under there. Grab your nippers and go to town. Well, don't get too crazy, but get all the necessary bits off. The ones that are definitely driving you crazy. All right, now we need to prep, shape the nail however you like, and then rough up the nail plate just a bit. Wipe it off and add your nail form. And so I like to use the plasma gel as just like, I like to start with the base. So I kind of use it as a bottle, for the first part, just so I can get like a nice thin layer of gel on there. Sorry, my finger's in the way. I'm always taping in a crazy weird way, but sorry, bear with me. It's not it's not an easy gig. And then I like to do one tap, which is 30 seconds on the compact cure lamp. Pretty fast, actually. And then when I'm building a nail, I like to actually use the Pottle as a pot. I like to kind of get my scoop on real good and kind of like pile up and start building out the free edge. So basically, I kind of work it back and forth as I work my way up the form. Back and forth and back and forth. And kind of trying to figure out like what length I want as well. And filling in any parts that might be, void of gel. And I like to, at this time, kind of like put it upside down a little bit after I'm done piling on things. I like to add a little bit, pack it really good, and then pull it down as I like turn my nail upside down. And another thing I really like about the compact cure lamp is that it opens fully. So if you wanted to cure it upside down, just make sure you're not standing to the light. But not that the light is like really like damaging, but I mean, I'm not an eye doctor, you know what I'm saying? But I like to actually like cure it upside down so I don't have to worry about it like slipping and sliding everywhere. See how I kind of like cure it upside down? It really does help, even if it's just a flash cure. And so basically, then I pop that off, and then now it's time to see how quick that was. Easy. And now I have a really beautiful clear nail. So I like to actually really get the shape perfect for me. I think most likely I'm probably just going for a soft almond. Ta-da! I'm going to wipe it off because I love to wipe. Always keep the debris off your nails. Of course, we go into the file kit. I don't really use the metal rod. I like to just stick it directly to the back of my file because I like to save my metal rod for other things. Wipe it with the bougie brush. Wipe it again. That's right. Keep all of the dust off. I think I'm going for some really cool stickers this time. These have always intrigued me. They don't lay as well as I want them to, so you got to kind of force them. See how annoying they're being? Yeah. But and of course I could do the same thing with just, just a line brush with some gel paint. I'm just being uber lazy. I just wanted to lay it on there. I'm like, let's just encapsulate this sticker. Then I decided to encapsulate some more stickers. So, put that on and then use my nail art brush to kind of like work around, my cuticles. Because it needs to lay down really well. Have you guys used these stickers before? They look great in the package, and you start putting them on, you're like, oh my goodness, this is kind of a headache sometimes. Because it just doesn't lay as well as I want. That's why you have to have a great gel that makes it lay well and keeps it under wraps like Plazma. It's going to literally seal that nail in, even though it doesn't want to be sealed in. All right, so you got to get all the edges. Get all the edges in there. And then I literally have so much glitter in my gel all the time because I'm always doing some type of nail art. But yeah, get all those edges covered and then hit it for like 30 seconds. Then do your little buffing. And now it's time to add anything else that you might want. I think I chose some Louis Vuitton stickers. If I ever get done buffing, my goodness. Get it together, Nettie. Are you finished yet? Okay. Wipe and add your stickers. I'm adding my Louis Vuitton stickers. I think that's how you're supposed to say it. Vuitton. And I kind of like wanted it to be over like the black. I thought it was pretty awesome as a look, you know. Not quite common. Just to have like a half clear nail and a bunch of really cool curvy stripes. I've really gotten kind of used to like using my nail art brush. I haven't stabbed myself yet, so maybe that's why I love it so much. Sorry guys, I'm really not that good at filming and doing nails. I need to actually buy myself another like tripod-y thing, you know. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. It's kind of annoying always trying to like film and like do nails. And can I get this into the spotlight of the camera? But you can see, I think, what I'm doing. Well, not right now. Sorry. But basically, I'm just trying to like position them on there. Of course, they're being stubborn. Everybody knows that nail stickers are stubborn, but they're quick and they're beautiful. So that's why they are. I don't know. See, I wanted to cut that one to kind of lay in, you know, the shape of my cuticle. I think I'm just about done. I think I'm going to put one more possibly on like the tip because it's looking a little naked up there, and I'm going to chop that one in half. Ta-da! See? I like my nail art sticker because if you don't press too crazy hard, then you really can work really well with it and position things around. Yeah. See? Done. All right. So what do you guys think? And I'm going to add maybe 2 coats of plasma gel just to encapsulate it. And yeah, make sure you get those edges right. Goop it on there just fine. Drag it across. I hope you guys like it. And then we cure it for 30 seconds. A nice little flash cure in the compact cure light, which happens pretty quick. And then you buff it again. And it's looking pretty good to me. Of course, you wipe and then you add my amazing luster top coat. No wipe. Crystal clear. And look at this nail, you guys. It looks good. Ooh. Shining, 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 shining. Yeah, that's right. Ooh. All right, tell me if you like it. I love it. Look at this. Ba-bomb! Oh, yes. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, don't do it to him. Shine. Look at it. Ooh, look at that shape. I love it. All right. Leave something for me in the comments. Thanks for watching.